Germany commemorates its sons who fell in the World War. State ceremonies in Berlin. In the Grand Box, President von Hindenburg, Chancellor Adolf Hitler, and the German ministers.
Soldaten, Männer und Frauen, unser ewiges deutsches Volk, sein Führer in großen Kriege, der Präsident des Deutschen Reiches, Generalfeldmarschall von Hindenburg, hoch! Hoch! Hoch!
By the way, I put a lot of effort into these videos. Your like really means a lot to me. Germany's best gymnasts. Trial competitions in Leipzig for the World Championships. Reich ministers collect donations for the Winter Relief Campaign. On the Day of National Solidarity, the German people donated 3.5 million marks for fellow citizens in need. Despite the boycott, calm and order prevailed in Berlin, the ordinary city scene on the previous day. The Day of Defense. This banner reads, "Germans, defend yourselves. Do not buy from Jews." An exciting football match between an Italian and a German team in Berlin. The Italians, black shirts, won 1-0 in the presence of 40,000 spectators. the celebration of the founding of the Reich in Berlin. Veteran soldiers honor their commander in the World War, General Field Marshal von Hindenburg.
Herr Reichspräsident, im Namen der ehemaligen Soldaten des alten
Against the Treaty of Versailles, protest demonstrations took place throughout Germany. In the Lustgarten in Berlin, Görlitzer, a member of the Landtag, delivered a speech.
Deutsche Männer und Frauen, wir leben im 19. Jahre des Weltkrieges. Der Wahnsinn übermütiger Sieger hat im Jahre 1919 mit dem bezwungenen deutschen Volke keinen Frieden gemacht.
The world's largest floating youth hostel, inauguration of the Hein-Godenwind in the port of Hamburg. More than 100,000 boys and girls are presented to the Reich youth leader.
Unserer Stadt Hamburg und unserem Hein-Godenwind. Sieg, Heil, Sieg, Heil, Sieg, Heil.
This concludes our video. For more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.